All right, we've got the Roziapro rechargeable hair clipper set. Let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, so first things first, just the outer packaging alone. I mean, it's a nice package. I like just the outer packaging, but when you open it up, it's got this legit case that it comes with. So 99 times out of 100, when I get something that has a legit case like this, the product also ends up being legit. So let's open it up and we'll just go to the main pieces first. So first thing we got, I believe this is called the tea trimmer. I'm gonna try using this on my facial hair. I'll show you that in a bit. But I mean, you could also use this on your facial hair. I don't need a haircut, but I do need my beard trimmed. So I'm gonna use this. And the first thing I want to say is one, obviously the design's sweet, but it's got a very durable feel. Like it just feels legit. And this hair clipper has right there has a 0.8 millimeter setting, and you can adjust it. There's 5 different settings without any guards on, from 0.8 millimeter all the way to, I believe it's 3.6 millimeters. So that's sweet. These main, oh, and I just accidentally turned it on. And as you can see, it's not really that loud if you heard that, which you probably didn't because the mic's not near it. But let me take this out. And then here you've got the nose and ear trimmer. So pretty sweet. All 3 of them are pretty sweet. And then you're gonna come over here and you got all the guards, the various different guards. You've got, and I'll actually take them out. Oh, you've actually got this barber cape. Almost forgot about that. So that's pretty sweet. And here's the instructions. Here's I'll just start taking stuff out actually, just to show you. So there's 3 different USB cables. There's 1, 2, 3, and they hold the charge for up to 3 hours. So you're never gonna need it for that long, but that's what it does. So, and this is also a piece that it can attach to the nose and ear trimmer. That's pretty sweet. And here's the different guards for the tea trimmer. Where'd they all go? Okay. So there are 3 of these for this device right here. There's this thing right here. We'll look at these different guards. There's I believe there's 4 in there. There's 4 in there. Here's the scissors. Take these out. I mean, these are legit. Yeah, I mean, these are just, even those are just sweet. So, and let's use it. All right, I'm gonna shave a bit of my face just so you can get a feel. One thing I wanted to add, I didn't show the comb. It comes with a comb as well. So here we go. Let's do it. And as you can see, it's not that loud. So, but you can feel the power as well. So here we go. And I got the 1 millimeter guard on. So you can see it's trimming it. The hair is coming off. And this is really good. I think, actually, now that I'm seeing it, it's actually doing it faster than the shaver I've been using. So, okay, that's exciting. But yeah, but that was fast. Just getting this side of my face, it did it. So, highly recommend.